Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, let's dive right into the crazy connection between your mouth and your entire body.
Sounds wild, right? But the sources literally ask, could a simple gum infection actually trigger a heart attack?
Well, that's periodontal medicine. It proves your mouth is basically the main gateway to your overall systemic health. The infection spreads in three ways: bacteria hitting the bloodstream, circulating toxins, or just widespread metastatic inflammation.
First stop, the heart. So how exactly do your gums mess with your coronary arteries? It's a total domino effect. Gum bacteria cause blood vessel damage, which leads straight to atherosclerosis. Plaque builds up, the walls thicken, and boom, a clot forms, potentially causing a fatal heart attack. The stroke risk data is totally staggering. 25% of stroke patients had major dental infections.
Next stop, the pancreas. With diabetes, we're looking at a super dynamic two-way street here.
It's a vicious cycle. Diabetes makes gum disease worse, while gum pathogens literally crank up your insulin resistance. The crazy part, successfully treating that gum infection can actually help restore your insulin sensitivity. Stop 3, the womb. Let's look at how this whole infection cascade impacts pregnancy and reproductive health. Get this, women with severe periodontitis are 7.5 times more likely to have a preterm, low birth weight baby. But how? Well, the infection dumps bacteria right into circulation, which actively alters those amniotic tissues. This massively spikes inflammatory markers, which prematurely triggers the dangerous cascade for uterine contractions. Final stop, the lungs. Let's wrap up by looking at acute respiratory infections like pneumonia. In hospitals, poor oral hygiene basically turns dental plaque into a dangerous reservoir for respiratory pathogens. Vulnerable ICU patients can actually inhale those pathogens into their lungs, causing severe, sometimes fatal pneumonia. Knowing this huge systemic domino effect, is your toothbrush actually a life-saving device? Think about it.